Hi and welcome at No Informatics. This is our user guide on Moerby with the focus on the end user. The word Moerby is slang for putting two or more things together. So let's first give a short overview of the app. Whenever an end user wants to make bulk changes to the company's database, you usually need to follow the painstaking task of doing it one by one, or you need to be kind of an IT boffin to do it quicker. So this is where this little gem Moerby comes in, because Moerby uses stored procedures to allow bulk imports or updates from an Excel file to the company's database. Now for this, the database administrator or developer writes a stored procedure in SQL and then do a basic setup for each of the tasks that you want to perform. And in this sense, Moerby uses a stored procedure to empower the end user to make bulk changes to the company's database via a spreadsheet. And the beauty of this is, once a stored procedure is in place, you can use it over and over again. So let us see how it's done. Great. When Moerby is open, you select your desired company database. And then by pressing on the lightning symbol, you call up all stored procedures in this database. And then still on the same screen, you select from the drop down the store procedure that you want to use. Now in our little example there's only one store procedure, but obviously you can have as many as you want. Then to import the Excel sheet you want to use, choose Select, and from the open window select the desired Excel file. Then you go to the workbook drop down and select the desired sheet that you want to use. Then you select Open to extract the information in Excel for viewing in Moerby. Now a wise move would be to do a test run before the final execution. For this, tick the test icon and then you press the execute button and a window will open with the results. You can then compare the data in Moerby with the results in the window, and if it corresponds, you are good to go. Now to import the data from your Excel spreadsheet into the company database, deselect the test icon and then select the execute button, and voila, Moerby will confirm if you were successful. And you are done. You can now also view the changes in Pastel itself. So just before we end off, please take note of the 4 tick boxes in the middle. If you select return result, it will show you when a stored procedure returns a value. If you select transaction level commit, it will create a transaction per Excel line. Therefore, if not selected and for example line 44 fails, then the whole batch fail. But if selected, lines 1 to 43 and everything after 44 will go through. Rollback is a safety measure, and if selected, it allows you to revert all your changes back to its original state. And then if you select test and you press the execute button, it will first show you the results without actually executing the stored procedure. In other words, it's also a safety feature. And that's it. Thank you for using our software. Please contact us if you need any more information. No Informatics, because it is good to know.